This is the only AI tool you need for a faceless YouTube automation channel. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Syllaby. I'll make sure there's a link below. It is my affiliate link, but this is one of the best tools. Instead of using like 10 different tools, Canva, ChatGPT, maybe a scheduling tool, maybe a thumbnail generated tool, you only need one tool because this tool will do everything for you to create faceless videos. So from simple ideas, text prompts, to amazing faceless videos, it will generate the ideas for you. It will do keyword research for you. It will make the video for you. It will create thumbnails for you. And then you can also publish and schedule content on your marketing channel. So this is like all-in-one tool for faceless YouTube automation. Let me log in and show you the magic from inside the internal dashboard. Here you go. By the way, YouTube automation, the faceless channel where you don't show your face, but it's on a topic, maybe motivation, maybe cooking, maybe traveling. It's a huge opportunity because you don't have to be on the camera. This tool will do everything for you. It will create the videos, the long, the short, everything for you. All right, here I am logged into my Syllaby dashboard account, and you can see I can discover ideas from my videos. Then I can create the videos itself. I'll show you the faceless video creation process. I can also create bulk videos, meaning imagine you create 30 days worth of videos in like 3 minutes. You create 2 weeks worth of content in like 2 minutes. This is amazing. This is a huge time saver. You can also create thumbnails. Then you can schedule the videos on your different social media channels. Now, let me show you these some of my favorite features. First, I want to show you the discover ideas. A lot of times we don't know what topics, what ideas to make videos about, right? So that's where this comes in super, super handy. You can select the platform that you like from here, and then you can enter any topic here. So for, let's say, I want to make videos about ChatGPT. Let me go to YouTube, and then I'm going to click on discover ideas. And now it's going to explore different ideas for me. Oh, here you go. Super, super fast. I can see the keyword, the exact keywords on YouTube. I can see the search volume. So how many people are searching for that keyword? Also, what's the trend, the CPC. If you're not running ads, so this probably doesn't matter as much. The competition does. What I like to do is look at the trend line. So something that's kind of like trending up or in the positive. So ChatGPT summarizing YouTube video. Is ChatGPT safe to use? Interesting topic. So in like literally seconds, I can get hundreds of ideas for my faceless channels. And then I like to go for keywords that are low competition. How does ChatGPT work? Is ChatGPT 4 worth it? Amazing. And I tried to show you for YouTube, but you can select other platforms and then do the same exercise to discover ideas for your videos. All right, that was number one. Number two, let me show you the bulk creation of faceless videos, meaning you create a lot, like 30 days, 14 days worth of videos in just few minutes. So when you come to discover, and then here's a couple of options. Bulk scheduler, that's the 30 days of content in 3 minutes, or you can do faceless videos. By the way, you can also, let me actually go inside faceless videos, create video, because I can also do the bulk scheduling from here. All right, this is actually one of their newest workflows. If you want to go to the classic mode or the previous mode, you can do that. If not, you can just kind of go through this one by one. Preset, if you saved anything in default, you can select those here from the past. Save and apply your preferred settings. So all the settings that I'm going to choose, let's say now, I can save it for future. All right, so first thing, step number one is to choose style. So AI visuals, video walls, B-rolls, URL to video, that's where you can convert your blog links into videos. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go to AI visuals, and then there are different styles that you can pick. One of my favorite ones is actually realism, hyper realism. There you go. So I'm going to select that, and you can see it's selected. Now schedule or publish. So click here. And then I can turn on bulk creation from here. So there was a separate option on the dashboard. There was a separate option for bulk creation. You can select it from there, or you can select bulk creation from here. Just like that. Now, the next step is you're gonna select the platform, which platform, social media platforms you are gonna post the content on. So for example, let's say I'm creating now the cool thing is you can create faceless videos for YouTube, but then also for other channels. Let's say you wanted to create faceless videos for your Facebook channel, you can select that from here. Let's actually select one of my faceless shorts channel, which is right here. So I'm gonna select that. And then next step, auto generation AI description and tags. I'm gonna turn that on. Add call to action and links. So if you wanna add call to actions to your bulk created videos, you can do that from here. I'm gonna disable that for now. And then this is where how many videos you wanna create. What's the duration? So let's say you wanna create videos, bulk videos for 7 days, 10 days, 16 days, 20 days. So it goes all the way up to like 30 days. And this also depends on what type of plan you have with Syllaby. I'm actually gonna drop it down to, let's say, I'm only doing it for like 7 days for the purpose of this demo. Also, what's the start date? So I can pick a start date. Today is April 8th. So let's say I want to start from April 10th. Also, what's the posting frequency? Do you want to post daily? Maybe you want to post on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you can select your frequency or your scheduling from here. How many video posts per day? That's another cool feature. 1 post per day, depending on however many videos you want. What's the posting time? So you can select one of the posting times recommended, or if you want to select the custom time, you can do that. And then save and continue. And by the way, if I wanted to do just one video, not the bulk creation, I would turn this switch off and then it would create just one-off video for me. All right, let's keep going. Video options. This is where you can create actually different folders. And you can see right here for different channels, for different types of videos, for different clients, I've created several different folders here. So this tool allows you to, I know a lot of people who create the business of YouTube automation, they have multiple brands, multiple channels. So inside this tool, you can manage everything. You can manage hundreds of YouTube automated faceless channels because you can you can store these videos in different folders. All right, so, and then you can select the audio language, the style of your captions or subtitles. You can see right here, I like that. The voice actor.
Our distrust is very the years teach
Hi there, I'm Art.
So you can go to different one. And by the way, I've also added my own. Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit. So yes, you can, if you go to the clone yourself, you can create clones of you can create actually your video clones and also your audio clones and then use it for inside your faceless video. So you can do that. Now let's go to the write script because this is a really, really cool thing right here. So you can add a custom script. If you have your own script, you can do that. You can have AI write the script for you. Or you can also use, if I had selected the URL to video in the beginning, I could also do that. Now let's do AI script and then custom topic. Here are some topics here. The channel I selected is actually scary stories. So I'm gonna say real scary stories from history. Let's fix the spellings. And then here are some other recommended topics. You can look at those. So depending on what niche your YouTube automated channel is, you can select those topics here for the script. And now I'm going to click on generate script. And now it's going to generate scripts for my video. So let's give it a few seconds and then we'll come back. And actually it's done. It's pretty fast. So here's my video number 1, the mysterious disappearance of Roanoke Colony, and here is the short script. The video is going to be 49 seconds. And then for next day, here's my video. If I had selected multiple videos for every day, it would give me like multiple scripts. So if you imagine how much time this tool is going to save you, instead of writing script, making video, writing script, making video, and wasting a lot of time, this tool is doing everything for you. one tool for ideas and for multiple video or bulk video scripting in just a few seconds. Here's my video number 1 on 4/14, and then here's another one. For the purpose of this demo, I just picked I think 7 days. So, but you can go up to like 30 days, a video per day. So that's like 30 minutes, 30 videos in like a few minutes, a few seconds. So here is the script. If you want to make any changes, go for it. You can make changes here too. Advanced option. So here's the if you want, you can add background music. You can change the position of your subtitles. So you have a lot of flexibilities, and also what type of visual effects you want inside your video. You can do all of that. If you want to use your brand watermark, just upload and it will do it. And it will also show you how many videos it's going to create, the duration, average, and then the credits too. So ultimate control for you. One other thing I want to show you, which is actually really important, inside video option. I kind of skipped over this, but this is really important. Under video length, you look at this. I can make not just short videos, I can also make 5 to 10 minute long videos. So get that. This AI tool, Syllaby, it doesn't just make short faceless videos. You can also create long videos up to 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes for your channel. It's just depending on the channel that I've selected is a shorts channel. So I'm gonna stick with less than 1 minute, but you can also select longer than that. And then once you are happy with all these settings, by the way, this is where you can save this preset for future use and speed up the process even more and save even more time. And then once you're happy with everything, click on generate videos and it will start generating videos for you. I've already generated some videos, so I'm gonna pause it and show you the videos I've already done. All right, the videos are done. Once your videos are done, you're gonna see them under my video tab. So under my video, you can see right here, let me actually open one of these and show you the quality of the output.
Francis Dashwood was a colourful and charismatic member of the British elite.
Unbelievable. Perfect story, scripting, visuals, and then once you're happy, by the way, if you want to edit anything, you can edit the details, you can edit some of these, you can regenerate some of these images if you like, and then once you're happy with it, you can just publish it directly to your social media platform from right here. You can also download and upload. Now, this was a short video. What if you were to create a long video, 5 minute or 10 minute? Then what about the thumbnails? Well, guess what? This tool also creates thumbnails for you. So let me, another option, click on thumbnails, and then just enter your simple topic here, the video, describe your video, and then it will generate thumbnail. And here's the one I've generated. I think my topic was 10 AI tools that feel illegal to know. That's a really popular. And then look at these graphics that it created. Amazing. We used to use Canva to do the graphics, and then we used to use ChatGPT to do the scripting, other tools to make the videos, and now Syllaby will replace all of those tools for you. Let me go back. So to recap, we discovered ideas, popular keywords and ideas. Then we went to Faceless videos and created videos in bulk from just simple text prompt, simple ideas. Then we saw those videos were done. And then number 4, we looked at the thumbnail generation. So enter your video topic, or you can also put a video script. So if you have a video script or a description, put that here, and then it will generate the thumbnails for you like this. So super handy and time saving. And then if you have any stuff scheduled, you can go to calendar, and then it will show you everything. So let me see. Actually, we don't have anything scheduled right now. Everything has been published. If I go back, here you go. You can see we published a lot of stuff last month, and now we're planning for the next month. This is what I love about Syllaby, because instead of doing one-off videos, we can bulk create and schedule and manage multiple faceless channels for YouTube automation in just one tool. Instead of using 10 different tools, this replaces Canva, ChatGPT, Midjourney. Some people use 11 Labs for audio, also thumbnail generated tools. All of them gone. You don't need it. You only need Syllaby. And again, the link is going to be below in the description, so make sure you check it out. Any questions you have about this tool, let me know. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this video, and I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.